Hi everybody, my name is Alex Perdikas and I'm the dealer at Coons Ford in Silver Spring, Maryland. We just got our GT ordering kit and we want to unbox it for you so you can see exactly what it's all about. Got an email a couple months ago that we were actually going to get a Carbon Series. So that's really exciting because the Carbon Series comes with a lot of the features that make it such a unique vehicle and really a lot of the things you'd want in the GT anyway. This is the package that just came in from Ford, and this is the ordering kit, more or less, that we'll use along with the concierge as we're figuring out exactly the colors and the options that we're looking to get for it. We are getting a 2020. It's supposed to be delivered in the first quarter of 2020. So this is the first video that we're going to show and spread out on social media along the pathway here to getting the GT. So we're really excited. These will be collectibles for sure. Here we go. Wow, that's pretty awesome. It's pretty neat. And here's all the different interiors. Wow, look at that. How cool is that? So what you'll see here is we've got the different wheel options, the different exterior color options, and the different interior options. Now, what's unique about the 2020, the Carbon, is that originally you could only get the Carbon Series last year in just the, this existing carbon package. So it gives you the Alcantara interior with silver stitching and a bunch of carbon fiber, obviously, elements and so forth. What's new for 2020 is that you can actually choose from dark energy, launch control, and re-entry, as well as light speed, from what I understand, for different interior colors as well. So I'm not sure how many people are going to go with that, go down that road, just because the carbon package obviously is unique in and of itself. And you want to maybe keep, aesthetically keep to the originality of the original package. But and then here's the 69 Heritage Edition. Although we didn't get that, they put that in here also, which is pretty cool to see. And then moving on to the wheels, you can see the different style of wheels that come with the car, and those are more for the regular GT, and then here's what looks like a carbon fiber wheel that comes with a carbon package. What's really neat here is you can interchange the brake calipers. It's pretty amazing. So if you're thinking about blue, or maybe you want a matte with silver, kind of gives you an idea of how it's going to look. So here's all the colors, which is really cool. I'll move this out of the way. There's black, silver, there's the gray, there's a Heritage. When you're debating about stripe colors or whatever it might be, let's just say you want maybe a really traditional Ford racing livery, which we would do the white with the blue stripe. You can see how that goes. Our friends at Designo Motorsports in Virginia already gave us some spray samples of a Ferrari blue Corsa. And then also, what I think right now is the front runner is the blue Electrico from Ferrari. So we like a little bit of a deeper color. Since we're getting a carbon, you can kind of get a feel for the black carbon stripe with the blue. And then if we get the colors of the calipers, depending on if we want probably a silver to maybe match with the carbon interior, that kind of gives you kind of a feel of how the car is going to look if that's the way we go. So really cool stuff, super exciting. I can't wait to get the samples back from Ford on an actual sprayed out little, with something that looks like one of these bodies of the car to give us a little more perspective. But really excited about doing the Carbon Series and doing a custom order color, which it's great that you have that option to make it really unique, even more unique. And then last but not least, they have some premium offerings with the GT. You get your own customized Autodromo watch with the VIN number and the car and so forth. It's actually engraved on there, so pretty cool stuff. You can get a GT owner VIN kit or a track kit, that's all from Sparco, which I think they're out of Europe. They're in Italy, I think. Very cool stuff. And then you can get your own little GT model as well. So great stuff. I just want to thank the team at Ford Performance and everyone that's part of the GT process. We're so thankful. So excited to get this car. I can't wait to get it. We will drive the car. You will see it in and around the DC area. We really want to show it off and show everybody the epitome of Ford and Ford Performance. So thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned.